Hi guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the rear window regulator on a BMW E90. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Don't forget to subscribe. First we'll need to remove the door panel. We have the video on our channel, guys, feel free to check it out. Okay, now in order to access the window regulator we need to pull that insulation, that cover here, foamy cover, and there is no easy way to pull that thing. It's always a mess because they use kind of like a silicone. So once it starts going, it's going easy. Just careful not to break it. And right there as well. This one is to okay, out of there, one piece. Okay, now we need to bring the window in this position right here so you can access the mount for the window, and you need to just pull it up and push it in. Another way, now you can just move the whole window up. Okay, and now we can go ahead and proceed removing the window regulator. One nut right there with a 10mm socket, just take it off. And after that there is one more on the bottom, right there. And once we remove this one more in the middle, right here. So we take this one off. And now we have the wire right here for the motor. So you need to press and pull on it in the rear corner. And that's how you take the regulator out. Okay, and that's how you remove it. You can see this thing is broken right here, that's why the window is not working properly. Okay guys, we got the new regulator, window regulator on eBay. It's pretty inexpensive, $22 for one of them. That's without the motor, because we don't need the motor since ours is working most of the times. It's just the regulator that goes bad. And now we need to remove that electric motor and install it on the new one. It has 3 screws with a T-star looking socket that we need to remove with T25. Okay, 3 of them. And this way we will be able to remove it and install it on the new regulator. Okay, only one more left, the last one. And now we need to remove that zip tie right here that's holding it and preventing it from spinning, and it keeps the correct position for the wheel here. Okay, you just need to cut it. Those are pretty tough sometimes, and pull it out. And now what we need to do, we need to pull the motor out of the old one. You just need to wiggle it back and forth. It doesn't go left and right because it goes in the teeth. And now you just install it in the new one. Okay, it has to line up perfectly so you can install the 3 screws. Now we're ready for the screws. Okay, we installed the 3 screws and now we're ready to install the regulator. You need to go right like that it goes in a certain angle. Okay, you need to mess with it to see. We forgot which way we pulled it out, to be honest with you, but it goes only one way. Okay, it goes from this side in this angle right here, like that, and you need to turn it. You need to make sure that you find the holes where it aligns, and the bolts need to go in the holes. It's limited room, but you'll be able to get it. Okay, it goes in that groove right here, and you pull up, and you need to make sure that the bolt down there goes in the hole, and then one right here, 3 bolts. And now we need to install the 10mm nuts, just 3 of them, and we'll be ready to hook the window up. We'll show you how to do that in a little bit, and that will be pretty much the whole procedure. Okay, you can use a ratchet. Okay. Now you need to connect the wire for the motor. Okay, now we need to move the regulator out. Okay, a little bit down now. Like right here where we can actually see. And we can install the window that way. Now you need to push the window down. Okay, now go through the hole right there. You need to. Okay, now you need to press on that thing a little bit and push the window down at the same time. Okay, it started sliding and now you just push down. Okay, and we got it. We just make sure that white thing, okay, we can get a better view, goes right there in the hole. If it's a new window regulator, sometimes it takes a little bit because the rubber is pretty new. Okay, now you can see the window works perfectly fine. Thank you guys for watching it. If you have any questions, let us know. You just put the door panel the same way we took it apart. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. We upload about a new video every day.